eggs here. Oh, there's one. Let's see. Oh, this is the favorite nest. They will all lay in here unless someone's in there. And I have one girl. This is Miss Josephine. She always lays in this corner. She will not lay in a nesting box. Hi, baby. It's okay. She's missing feathers because she gets picked on by one of the other hens. Oh, okay. Come back later. Sorry. There's one more place I gotta look. Oh, look at there. They have started sneakily laying eggs behind the door in the straw pile. Those goofy kids. Oh, well. It's a nice safe spot. Ducks here. Hi, girls. Hi. Getting so big. Oh my goodness. On the right here is Patsy. In the middle is Winona. And in the back there is Nora. They're sweethearts. Little treat for the chickens. Some spinach and apples. They can't even wait. They've already knocked some out of my hands before I even hit record. Let me give some of the spinach to the ducks. See how they like it. See how you guys like this business. Oh, come on. You like it. Normally they'd be all over that. I think they're a little spooked because they're outside still. We're not used to it yet. We'll check back on them later. Girls! Such a nice day that I brought the little babies outside to be in a little chicken crib. And there they are. I put a tub of water in here because I'm going to bring the ducks in here too. They're friends with this little flock of chickens. I can hear the ducks talking. They want to come out. They are having fun being outside. Okay, I'm going to bring the ducks in. Alrighty, so I brought the ducks out. They did not want to come out of their crate, so I had to kind of just leave it open and let them come out on their own and trick them. They're going to get in that tub in a minute. Aren't you, babies? Ducks are so fun to watch, but my goodness, they are messy, 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 you guys. If anybody's planning on having ducks for their eggs or for meat or whatever, the best thing to do is brood them inside for a max of 2 weeks and figure out how to get them out. They stink. I did brood them with the chicks at first, and now they're friends, so that was a good idea. But they got the brooder so dirty, I was cleaning it twice a day. Twice a day is too much whenever I have adult hens to deal with, and dogs and cats and kids and a husband as well. So I moved them to the bathtub, which was great because I could just rinse it out, but it clogged up the tub, and then it started staining the porcelain, so we had to figure out something. Oh, you're chasing little Dolly there. Yay, you guys. Be nice. Guess they need to have more play dates. These are Welsh Harlequin ducks. I chose them because their temperament is considered very calm. They are beautiful when they grow up. They have a lovely purple or green wing color. Hope you guys can hear me over all of this talking. So this is just a baby fence that we had from whenever my kiddo was young, and we've used it 2 years in a row for a chick crib. It works great. We just had to kind of wing it with a top. Oh, one of the ducks got in finally. I knew she would. Well, the wind kicked up and that didn't last long. Anyway, for the top, we just used some of this plastic hex fencing. I think that's what it's called. And we stuck a trellis under there to give it some support, so if a chicken jumped up here, it wouldn't sink down. And I have a board over here. And I put a little pillowcase on that corner to give them some shade in there, because it's pretty sunny. 2 of them in there. They have really dirtied it up in just a matter of seconds. They were wet, they jumped out, got muddy, and got right back in. So, how are my little chicks doing? Oh, they're just over here minding their own business while these guys are making chocolate milk out of the water. Got a curious bystander here. Old Blanche. She likes to bully everybody. Can't get to him, Blanche. What you gonna do? Nothing. Ha. I want to show you guys what it looks like in here when everybody's got a full belly. It is relaxation station in here. Laziness. This is just fine because everybody laid today. I got 8 eggs from my 8 chickens, so they are allowed to relax. They look all cozy and stuff. Just chilling on the ground. Oh, don't get up. Don't mind me. Hi, Dorothy. Are you full? Huh? My sweet baby. Yes, I baby talk my chickens. Get over it. They love it.